ko Pipiri, ko Karioi te maunga, ko Whāingaroa te moana, ko Ngāti Mahanga te iwi. It's like my second home in the moana, just whether it's fishing or surfing these waves, it's my favourite things to do in the world, eh? Just feels like I belong and wouldn't want to be anywhere else, eh? Surfing, I feel, is a part of who I am, the ocean especially, as well as the maunga here, the whenua, the marae. You know, just the combination has really kind of made me who I am today. This moana is kind of, it's bashed me, it's rolled me around, it's disciplined me, it's taught me the true power of, you know, we are something, but that is a completely different aspect to what this world has to offer, and it's really put into perspective, you know, other forms of strength and kind of power that we have on this earth. Because yeah, I've had my fair few of bashings out here, eh?